W's in the chat on the way in here today as we approach this lovely Friday we got in front of us here. It is the last day of the week, last day of the month, so it should be a good one, man. Should be a good one. Let me set that there. Perfect. How y'all feeling? Some W's in the chat. What up, Z Gamer in the house? Yes, options. What up, that guy TK? Shiro's in the building. W's all around. If you guys are feeling good today, if you're feeling blessed to be here, blessed for another day, I want to see some W's in the chat from y'all. What up, Storm Player? Ewan in the building. What up, Classic Trader? YOLO Trader's here. What up, YOLO Trader? Brewski. What up, Johnny K? Johnny K. It's like Johnny Bravo right there. Nightbot's in the house. Hero of the day. What's good? Bring out the whole hero. What up, FX Viking? Yeah, man. You guys fired up? Ready to go? What up, Groom Smith? How we doing? How we doing? Kevy Kim in the building. What up, Kevy? What up, Dennis? Dennis Hood. Xander's in the building. What up, Xander? We got options. We got options. All right, cool, cool. Good to see you all, gang. Let me just set up Zoom. I think that is straight. Yep, perfect. Let me share my screen. That should be good for everyone. Awesome. All right. Perfect. You guys ready to get started? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all you guys. Welcome back to another New York live stream. Bring the long hair back. We got the short hair going right now. Just too much, you know, short hair. You keep it easy, right? You know, it stays simple with short hair. So long hair, I got to go through that growing phase and wear hats and all that stuff. I don't know, man. We'll see. But anyway, we are back, right? Another live stream here, another New York session. Again, it is the last session of the month, right? Of the week. What up, Joseph? And we are here, right? We're here to see how this monthly candle closes, how this weekly candle closes, and the daily. So let's see what we got up in front of us here today. Let me just lower the music a little bit. 1 sec. All right, cool. Yeah, let's see what we got going on this lovely Friday here. Looks like we have just one red folder here today. You do have a red folder on the CAD. That's at 8:30 here. You also have some core PCE price index coming in at 8:30 as well for the US dollar. Couple yellow folders, an orange folder, and then another red folder right at 10 a.m. here. So we've got some folders ahead of us here today, right? We got 2 red folders, a bunch of yellow ones, and an orange. So we should have volume here, right? You should see a really, really strong push today. And you guys seen what happened yesterday, right? When we broke those lows, that 1 hour celery, man, never fails, right? That was a trade we were looking at. Stops just got too big at that point. So you know, sometimes you gotta let it go and smile, right? And just know that, hey, we knew that, right? We called that. So very, 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 very nice move there yesterday after we left the gas station, right? As I was saying, the stronger that consolidation, the stronger that push is typically going to be. So very, very nice move there yesterday. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts here today and see what we got going on, all right? Let me go to Trading View. By the way, chat, I do have sell stops on the break of the 30-minute lows here. Looks like the 1 hour candle is going to close in about 35 seconds. So I am still going to hold these sell stops here. Price looks pretty good. We should continue down. Clip it. All right, perfect. Let me just do something in the Discord. One moment. Perfect. Okay, cool. All right, sweet. So let's see here. So looking at let's just do a full top-down analysis here. All right, cool. So look, taking a look at the monthly time frame. Let me just get my tools. Hold on. Okay, perfect. So taking a look at the monthly time frame here, we have been pushing down, right? Very, very nicely. We had this resistance that was formed, and price has been pushing down ever since. Right now, as long as this candle closes below these ranges here at 1920, I think this is going to be a good idea for price to continue down, you know, into these levels here, like 1800, 1820. These are going to be levels that we're looking at. So that's setting up for next month, right? Let's see how this one closes here today. You may see a strong push, right? If you continue to break the monthly lows, you may see a push down to, you know, tap into the support, right? We may even close below this support by the end of today, but that's going to be a stretch. We will see the way that looks on the lower time frames, right? So let's go to the weekly. Oh, you guys are activated? We're activated? All right, cool. Let me see here. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Candle did close with no bottom wick, but stops are pretty good here. We got pretty good stops. The entry's pretty good. I think we're going to hang on to this. Yeah, we're going to hang on to this position here. 1 hour should be good to continue driving. So that's what we're looking at with that. So we'll keep an eye on that trade. But taking a look at the weekly as well, right? Weekly has pushed down, broken through all these lows. If you re-break the weekly low, very high chance we come down, right? 1820, that's what we're looking at here on the monthly. So very high chance you can see a nice push there. So that's what we're looking at on the weekly. We are trickling down. If you notice, we continue to remain in this downtrend, right? In this downtrend here. So let's see if we continue down or not, depending on, you know, price. So taking a look at the daily though, right? Daily did close bearish, right? We closed bearish yesterday again. You've seen a nice push down there, right? Very nice push down there. So I do expect the daily to now continue down, right? If we re-break this low right here today, you should see a push down towards these levels. And what do you know? Where is that? 1820, excuse me, 1815, all in these ranges. So very, very, very clean traffic here for gold today. So what we're doing is we're anticipating the move down. If we can come down on this daily, re-break the low, and then continue down. That's the move we're looking for here today. Let's see if we get it. I am open for buys as well, buys and sells, depending on how we're looking here on the lower time frame. So let's go to the 1 hour, see what we got going on here. So 1 hour time frame has been, let me just delete this, has been consolidating, right? You have a choppiness right here, right? Price pushed up. This is your daily top wick, right? This right here is your daily top wick. Price has ran into this area and has not been able to close above it, right? That was the top wick, and now we're starting to struggle up here, right? And if we're bearish on the day and we're starting to struggle up here, well, these are signs now that we can anticipate price moving back down here today, right? To have that daily move. So that's what we got going on. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute as well looks pretty clean. You have this range here. A resistance has been formed. We have entered sells right here. Stops are above the daily highs, and we're looking to target this today. So that's what I'm looking at right now. If we do get a closure below here, there will be even more sells to come. So that's what we're looking at here in terms of price action. And yeah, we'll see how this trade goes. BE, no. I'm going to hold on to this. Yeah. Yeah, this is a nice trade. We got very, very clean stops up here as well. So that's going to be the trade I'm looking at. Cool. Am I a swing trader? No. Nope. Nope, I am not a swing trader. I would say I'm more of a scalper slash... I used to intraday trade more, so I would say I'm more of a scalper slash look to hold my runners for like a intraday position. Yeah. So what I'll be looking at here for today is Range 2 buys, right? Range 2 buys above here. That would be us breaking the daily highs and moving on up, right, to fill these wicks. Or at this point, sells below 1871, right? So what I was looking at here was a resistance to be formed. We got that resistance. 30-minute time frame gave us a really nice top wick, broke the lows. That was our entry. I think our entry is right there, right? Yeah, that's our entry here on the break of these lows. And that is the position I'm in. That's what I'm looking to hold here for. So should be a nice move down, right? If this is the top, we could expect a really nice move. We do want to see a closure below here, and then that'll kind of really, yeah, if we can get a closure below here, then we can go break even and make that a risk-free trade and see if we can hang on to this, you know, until we come down to like these levels down here, like 1867 or so. So that's the trade that I'm looking at right now. Partials. About a 50 pip move coming down. So, and then the full move is about 95 pips. You got about 77 pips right at this support. You know, that's probably where I'll look to take more partials, but that's going to be the trade here for me. Hello from Spain. Hey. What's your spread on XAU? 1.2. Yeah, 1.2. Oh, let's see if this, yeah, let's see something here. Let me know if you guys can see my pips by any chance. Oh, can you guys see that? Can you guys see the pips? Nah? Oh, hold on, hold on. How about now? All right, I'm gonna make it a little smaller later on today so it looks better. Oh, nice. Cool. You can see it? All right, sweet. Yeah, I'll make it a little bit smaller so it looks a little bit nicer on there. But yeah, the reason why I got entered into this trade in the last about 20 seconds of this 1 hour candle. So, you know, I was already in. Yeah, I was already in at that point. You can see it now? Okay, nice. Why did I enter with no top wick, no bottom wick? It's because, like I said, I got entered into this trade off of the last like 10 seconds of the 1 hour candle, right? While we were doing the breakdown. So, yeah. Yeah. All right. Listen, what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to close some partials. I'm going to close 80% of my position right there. And I'm just going to let the rest of this thing ride. Right? On a Friday, 23 pips up early on in the morning. Just going to let the rest of it run. Yeah, that's all. How would you re-enter? I wouldn't re-enter just yet. I would wait for a closure below here, and that would be a whole new trade. So that's what I would look to do here. Okay, yeah, so the rest of it should ride down, but not a bad move here, right? Early on in the session, so. So beautiful. Close partials there at 23 pips, and the rest of it's gonna ride. Yeah, very nice move. Yeah, I was expecting a strong push off of this resistance here, right? You see that wick right there? That's our daily top wick, right? So now we should probably come down and look to retrace most of the move. We may want to pull back a little bit for NY Open, but yeah, that's the move. Let's mark it up. Yeah, let's mark it up. Yeah, lovely. Still got a 6 lot running here, so want to see if we can get down towards this partial TP level down here. Lovely. Blader. Did I go B as well? I didn't go break even, but I think I'll do that now. Yeah, I think I'll go break even here now. And that's it. Stops are at entry, and we're going to let this thing run. Never disrespect our plan. Yeah, right here I'm going to close another partials. We're tapping into these ranges here, and that's going to be it. That will be the trade, my friends. That's it. So now we see if we get a closure below, and we'll continue down. If not, we'll wait for some sort of retracement, and we'll try and catch another move here. Yeah, just the beginning of the session, so. Is that an onion? Yeah, this was a 1 hour onion play. So the reason, okay, so the reason for the trade here, right? So let's take a look at it. The daily time frame is very, very bearish, right? We're expecting a top wick and for price to move back down, right? So we take a look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour candle closed. It pushed up, but we never broke the highs, right? Now looking at the 1 hour, you started forming this resistance. Now this wick right here, if we zone in on this wick here, that was our top, that was our daily top wick. So this entire move was a move up to create a daily top wick. Now that we've had that daily top wick, you started to get candles to consolidate, right? So as candles started consolidating at resistance, everything started lining up, right? So we look at the 30-minute time frame, you had a resistance form. You look at the 15-minute, you had a resistance formed. You had a celery play here, which is basically, we almost got, I think did we get activated here? Yeah, I think we got activated here. Price pulled back and then started driving down. So that was it, man. That was just a 1 hour onion play. Consolidation formed on a bearish day, anticipating the daily candle to move down and basically just sniping the top wick on the daily candle there. And that was it. The 1 hour candle actually activated us here when it closed. Closed with no bottom wick, opened up with no top wick, but we were already in the position. And yeah, closed partials at 23 pips, another at 36 pips, and now we look for the next best setup. Barcode strategy paid off again. Actually, if it was a bar, we would anticipate this one moving up. So, hey, 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks, but when you're in a sell, you kind of don't want that 85%, right? You're like, screw the top wick this time. What pairs do I trade most? I trade gold. A lot of gold. I'm in on the same trade. Awesome. Yeah, bearish day, man. right? You guys want to get these sniper entries, huh? Well, that wasn't too sniper, but yeah, that's what we wanted to anticipate, right? Our strategy, our underlining idea here is we want to anticipate where the daily and the 4-hour candles are going, right? And we want to look for those entries on the 30-minute, 1-hour time frame. That's basically what our system and our strategy is revolved around. It's, hey, where can we anticipate the higher time frames moving, and how can we get in on those higher time frame moves based off of the lower time frame ranges, right? So that was it. That's all you had there. Yeah, the 15 looked really good too, right? I had we had sell stops on the 15. I guess our sell stops are like right here. Yeah, 4-4. So like right around here. So we never got activated on any of these moves down. This candle activated us and closed with no bottom wick, but the next one just ended up driving. So yeah, and now our stops are sitting at break even, back in the range, right? So you can even move your stops in profit if you want, because price should not come back into this range here, right? We should not come back into this range. If we're gonna make a top wick, it should not come back up here. So if you're at break even, you go even a couple pips in profit if you want. Yeah, but nice move down. That's really what we anticipated doing, and nice push. Price move pretty clean. Yeah, you had all this clean traffic to the left too, right? So, you know, this support, I wasn't too worried about it, right? Because remember the stops, right? So you're gonna see me looking to take advantage of these type of stop losses a lot more. And all it is right, our stops are in, look, we could be holding our full position still, right? Our stops, when you have your stops up here, they are good money, right? They're not the previous candle. They're not they're the actual daily high, right? The 4-hour high. The 4-hour would have to re-break the high in order for us to get stopped out. And if candles are closing like this in the range, and then you have this bearish, like you have a high right here, right? Another high here. There's a very low chance price will come back up to re-break that high, right? After this resistance is formed, very low chance that we'll break that high there and come back up and then go back down, right? That just doesn't make sense for price action. So if you can get these stops above the ranges and they're 4-hour highs, daily highs, those are the best, right? Like this is a position we can probably hold for the remainder of the session, you know, have runners on here. So well, bro, I use 8 cap. Yeah, my partials have already been closed. Trade taken. Oh my God. Oh, Mohammed. Oh, nice. Halfway done my phase 2. Oh, cool. Been trading with us since July. Nice. Signals channel looked pretty good. It looks like the bot worked very well there. Sweet. You guys want me to leave the pip counter up, or does it look too... I gotta make it smaller, so if you guys don't like it, it won't hurt my feelings. I gotta make it smaller and put it a little bit more to the left. Am I almost close to clearing phase 1? Let's see, what's my balance at? I'm up about 2.2%. Yeah, 2.2, 2.1%. Yeah. Oh. Oh, 2.8%. All right, I'm up 2.8%. Awesome. Thanks for who was that? Who was that? Bleach. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. More like 2.6. Oh man, I don't know. Yeah, what a move. Beautiful move here before NY Open, man. Well anticipated. Well anticipated. Now she's driving. All right. TP2. TP2. Let's see here. September is going to be good for us. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Every month, man. Every month. This is going against the playbook. Oh, man. Changing your names. So yeah, so basically this was a trade taken off of the 30-minute time frame, and we just happened to get activated on the last like 10 seconds of the candle, right? And then that candle closed with no bottom wick, but at that point we were already activated. I honestly didn't care, because one thing I was very confident in was this stop loss here, right? Stops above the highs here. I was very confident. So even if we did kind of trickle back up and kind of do our thing and draw down a bit, I was very confident that we would make our way down on a day like today, and where price is very, very bearish. So I wasn't too worried about it in that situation. It was the bar, yeah. This was the sample size barcode strategy. Yep. Yeah, it was basically a 30-minute onion. So that's what we'll mark it up as, 30-minute onion, and just happened to get activated in like the last 10 seconds of the candle while I was doing the breakdown. But yeah, turned out well. Oh. Johnny Boy's in the house. What do you say, kid? What do you say, kid?
Hey, yo, what's good? Good morning.
Morning,
How we doing?
Fantastic. You?
Doing good. Wonderful.
Yes,
Happy
sir.
Friday.
Happy Friday.
Sir, good morning. Morning, chat. Good morning, everyone in Zoom. Happy Friday. Let's kill it.
Yes, sir. Let's have a good one. We're just heating up on this lovely Friday.
I don't know. I see nice gold sells here at 40 pips, eh?
Yes, sir.
Good stuff, bro.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
We back in business, Tonti. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I was waiting for that 30 to close because there was like a minute left.
Yeah, 30 close. It activated us. I guess while we were doing the breakdown. If you guys go back, you'll see me like, oh, I seen the chat. They were like, activated. It's like, all right, let's go. Yeah, we had our stops were 17 pips there. So it wasn't bad at all. Stops were 17 pips for like at least this move coming down.
Fire.
Yeah.
Beautiful stops.
But yeah, sitting about 42 pips up or 40 pips up here. So just gonna let this thing run now.
Gonna be coming downtown for gold today.
Downtown. Mark the trade. All right, let's mark the trade. Let me do it here on the overlay. $93. The big 93. Let me mark it up here as well. So that was 6. Wow, signals came in nice. It came in clean. Yeah, we're using this new bot. You seen it?
Me, yeah.
Yeah, it's dope.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Yeah, every move it seems like every move that gets made on my MT5 gets all recorded in here, so that's perfect.
Oh, that's what you need.
Yeah. 12 minutes. Hey, where else in the world can you make money like that in 12 minutes? Signal bots fire.
I don't know.
All right, what time was that taken at? That was taken at. We were activated at 6:31. 6:31, is that what it is? Yeah. Oh no, 6:59.
I think it was like 7.
Nah, yeah. Look, see, 6:59 we got activated here. That is when the candle closed with no bottom wick. So at that point, nothing I could do, right? I really trusted in that stop though. Yeah. So 6:59 is when we got activated, and yeah, so 6:30. Yeah, we'll just see where we close full at. But we do have some news coming in here. That news should push us down, I'm sure.
Yeah, I believe, what is it, 8:30? 8:30 and 10? Yeah.
Yeah. Let me try and crop the pip counter, TK. Hold on one sec. I like that. I like it. If we can, I'm gonna try and limit the black space behind it. If we could do that, then that'll look pretty clean. Let's see if that's a little bit better. Hold on, I'm gonna fix it more. I'm gonna fix it a little bit more. That's decent. What do you guys think? That's alright. Alright, candle has closed below the range at 7:30 here. I'm not gonna take another position here. Not gonna take another position yet. Let's wait for the 1 hour candle to close here. And we'll see what's going on at NY Open. We are about 35, 36 pips up right now. Oh, hey, where's Sam at? Sam here, John?
Let me look. Yeah, he is.
Oh, the boy is here.
Get him on. Oh, wait.
The boy is here. I'm coming for you. He's building it up. Hold on, hold on. All right, there he is. Sam and John, give him a round of applause.
Yo, Sam.
Oi, oi.
What's going on, Nick? What's going on, John?
How you doing, brother?
Good.
I'm doing great. Fantastico.
Awesome.
How you guys doing? Nice start to the morning. Something slight.
Nice little start. Little start.
Something slight.
Yes, sir.
Something slight.
How you
Beautiful.
feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah.
Final day to the quarter.
Yup.
I think next quarter is gonna be crazy.
Oh yeah.
Just like you were saying, I think it was yesterday. Like Q4, it's
Mhm.
been crazy.
I'm telling you, man, get ready, chat. Q4 is about to be insane. These are going to be the best months for the New York session that we're coming into here. Just incredible months. Last year was off the charts.
True.
We had I remember taking 3 trades, almost 2 to 3 trades almost every day in Q4, which was actually surprising because typically Q4 will tend to slow down a bit. But last year, man, we just kept moving.
Yeah, lots of volume.
Big motion.
Where did the chat go, bro? Restored chat. What up, chat?
Lovely.
Oi!
Oh yeah. Let's see here. Is the promo still going? Yeah, today's going to be the last day for the Signals promo, guys. I'm not going to be doing another promo for a while, but I wanted to extend that promo for everyone as I was still away, so yeah, that's why. But yeah, we're going to take the promo off today, and we got everyone, I believe, into the new Signals channel, so everything is good there. Yeah. But yeah, here comes TP2 cruising now. 45 pips.
Tourniquet.
Just a bit. Tourniquet.
Later. Yeah, bro, I needed one.
Randall, Message me on Discord. Like, just message me right now.
Sailboat.
Sailboats. All right, well, we tap into TP2 here. Approaching TP2. Will be moved down. Let's see, how's that? Yeah, 30 looks good. Yeah, we look clean to fill this whole range here. Yeah, Randall, message me like right now while I got Discord open. Hold it. What up, AB Mike? Oh, will we tap? TP2. How much you got open? 1.2? I think I got the same thing open. AB Mike. What up, Alan Forex in the building? Should I sell now? I'm able to trade gold more easily than GJ. Just make life out. Can you give some tips about GJ? Well, you guys don't really see me trading pound yen that much either, right? Anymore. So, you know, pound yen's been a bit tricky, right? Since January, it's just really been on this major uptrend here, right? Just moving up. So this year, not gonna lie, it's been the most difficult year I've had to trading pound yen. So don't feel bad if you know, market conditions aren't rolling in your favor, because they're really not moving in my favor either. So yeah, don't worry, pound yen's been a bit difficult unless you've been holding buys since January.
And that's like the beauty of learning a pair and just sticking to one pair, because then, you know, you get to really see how it works, you know, when you apply your strategy to it.
Yeah.
So, you know, it might not even be you doing anything different. It just might be a GJ.
Mm-hmm.
You know, just like you said.
Yeah. Yeah, those who are having a bit of bit of struggles trading pound yen this year, don't put too much pressure on yourself. GJ's been tough. Does Magic?
We really don't have that many trades with GJ right now this year.
Nah, we don't. We don't have many at all. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Sheesh, all gold here. Yeah, I think we took 17 trades here on pound yen all year long. Yeah, all year long. So haven't been trading GJ too much this year. Gold is a tough pair, but once you learn it, then it becomes just like any pair. If you dedicate enough time and energy to it, you'll learn the ins and outs of it. Yeah, gold for me has been a pair I've been watching now for 3 years, so it makes a lot of sense to me. I know that if most of the times if gold is gonna come up and like create a resistance, it's gonna want to retest the previous support. You know, it's just something that gold does. You know, you can go back test this. It'll, you know, come up, create a resistance, and whatever, there'll be a support down here, and then the next candle will test that support. All right, and then it'll come back up. All right, create a support, and then you have a resistance up here that gold wants to test. All right, and then whatever, keep moving, next resistance. So yeah, that's one thing I've learned about gold. Very clean pair. Most days. How long you been trading gold, Sam?
Probably about the same amount of time.
Same,
Probably like
right?
2.5 years, probably, yeah. Cause I did stick to just GJ for like, cause I think we said it before, like, bro, I was scared to trade gold.
Yeah.
Like we were just saying, but then it's once you trade it enough, I mean, it literally is just like any other pair.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, probably like 2.5, 3 years. I've seen gold break all-time highs twice in my life.
All-time highs.
The first time was August 2020, and then the second time was March of last year.
Yep.
I was thinking about that the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's came up and tapped into that like every year now since 2020. So maybe we can expect another tap up top, right up here next year. Another attempt. But this is looking really good on the monthly, man. Like, as long as we close below these levels here, I think you got clean traffic. 1820 is done. And that's a range that we've had our eyes on for quite some time here.
Yeah.
And gold may do some crazy stuff today and just bleed, right? And have the monthly candle close below there, right? Because there's even more clean traffic below for price to continue down. All right, so that's what you're looking at here on gold. Like, that's the power of this pair. It can do that.
Yeah,
right? It can do it.
Look at what it's done just this week, like
Right, exactly.
1925 to
Huge move.
50.
Literally.
That's almost 750 pips.
Yep. Yeah, because this is the range we're in, right? And then below that you have the next pretty, well, actually very clean range, right? Which is down here. So if we, depending on where we close, we either fill the rest of this range or we start breaking into this range here, which either way you seem to have a nice move on your hand. So yeah, now we just wait, right? You may get a pullback here on gold for price to continue down a little bit later. If we do create support here, then I'm expecting price to, you know, most likely push back up here and then create a resistance again, right? So that way we can continue down.
Yeah, it's been nice seeing the volume though.
It has been.
That's what it used to be like every week.
Yeah. Yeah, if you've struggled with gold a little bit too, don't really get too down on yourself as well, because gold has been a bit choppy also, right, over the past, you know, 2.5 months as well. So it seems like we're breaking out of that now, and that's a good sign. And now we just we should anticipate a lot of volume coming in for the New York session here in Q4. Today's the last day of Q3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, October next month or week. Well, yeah, next
Yeah.
month.
So next time we be here is I believe the 2nd, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, Monday's the 2nd. Dope. How's those BTC losses? Those were just things I was testing out. If you notice, they're only 0.01. Why'd I put TP2 here? Because right here you come into these rejection levels here. But it looks like we rejected right before TP2. Test lots, yep. I do believe in Q4 you will see a lot of runners, yep. Yeah, we seen this last year too.
Yeah.
Last year gold went crazy in Q4. Gold buy or sell? I've seen gold move 500 pips in a day. Yeah, gold can really run. I mean, look what we seen yesterday, right? Like, how many people were saying gold was oversold? Right here. Oversold, man. Not a chance that thing's going down. Look at that. So don't sleep on gold, man.
Yeah, that was when you seen the bounce whenever they cut the rates just a little bit with the pound.
Yup. Yup.
Yes.
Or this was
Yeah,
yesterday.
but after that, gone.
Yeah. Goner. What about another trade? Yeah, we just gotta wait now, just like we normally would. So in order to take another trade, you gotta wait for another trade, right? So nothing changes, just it's kind of like this never happened. Right? Now what will we do? We gotta wait.
Yeah, this month was great. I feel like we were, I mean, like always on the money.
We really were. Yeah, we
Like,
really
on the
were. You
ball
guys.
with the prices going always.
Oh yeah.
I'm about to go back and rewatch like breakdown from first stream this month real quick.
Yeah, we pretty much called the move every day. You know, sometimes you're not gonna have your setup or you're not gonna have your entry, but that's totally fine, right? That's totally fine. Sometimes stops are gonna be a little bit too big for your liking, and you just let price go. You know, we seen that happen yesterday, right? On that 1 hour celery play. Knew price would move down, right? But stops got too big. So you just gotta sit back and smile, right? As price continues to drive. That's pretty much it. But remember what I was talking about, that if those lows were to break, you were gonna see a very strong push, right? And you notice yesterday, once those lows broke, if you guys were still watching the chart, you seen a monster push down at that point, right? Because those were the weekly lows, those were the daily lows, the 4 hour lows, right? You're gonna see a really nice push. Yeah, I'm gonna check out the stream on like the first week of the month too. I want to see it.
Yeah, I got the link if you want it. I'll drop it in Zoom.
Link it. Drop it in the Zoom. Let's take a look at that.
So, how do you share, timestamp, copy, Zoom chat? Bink. There it is.
Boom.
Bink. That's what you should have said when it hit TP.
Bink.
Bink. Bink.
Boink. Oh yeah, that was NFP. Forgot about that.
Oh, I had it right where it started.
Oh really? My bad.
Yeah. No.
Oh, look at this monthly time frame. Oh, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on.
Bink.
Boink. Stop playing, chat. Stop playing with us. Just let us cook. Where'd that go? Does that look familiar or nah? What do you think, chat?
Trust the
We
system.
talked about it, right? We talked about it. Mike. Right? We talked about this move happening on the first day of the month. Anticipating where price will go this month. Where can we move to, right? According to price action, according to previous data. And the only thing we were wrong about, or I don't even know if we were wrong, but we were looking to see if we can get a top wick on this candle here. That was about it. But other than that, move played out perfectly.
Yes, sir. I believe there was a reason we established. It was like, yeah, I don't know. It's like if you look at the weekly time frame, I feel like it looks perfect. But like, yeah, like the monthly time frame without that top wick on that one candle, but I don't think it matters after you see the weekly and like all those wicks it threw up through there.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, and what we're also looking at too is this is a range 2 breakout on the monthly time frame because, well, let me write on this. If we were bullish, right, we were looking for buys above here, right? We had to wait for ourselves. So notice how price came down, created support. Oh, why am I even looking at this? Right? Notice how price came down, created this support level here, right here, and then came up and created a resistance, right? So as that resistance was formed, now you know you had your new range. So this was your trading candle, right? And now the next candle, as long as we close below the support level, now you have an actual range 2 breakout, right? So below here, now this becomes a range 2 breakout. So if this candle can drive, hey, great, right? Let it drive, see if it can close below support. But if not, if it pulls back, that leaves us a wick to fill for next month, right? To maybe closure over here and price to drive down and, you know, fill the ranges here like this. So we'll see. But yeah, lovely.
See the future.
The wizard, it's wizard mode. But yeah, perfect. You guys see how predictable price action becomes, right? You notice, remember, one of my favorite quotes was from Raja Banks, and he said, if the markets do the same thing day in and day out, why are we trying to switch what we do? Right? If they're going to do the same thing, why don't we just do the same thing? Everyone wants to, you know, evolve and try and figure out these new things. I mean, it's been a thing that traders do since like the 20s, right? And I just don't get it, right? If something works, why fix it? Right? Why fix it all? Maybe learn how it could work a little better, but why try and invent this? Why try and reinvent the wheel? Right? Remember, my mentor would say, if you're going to walk through a minefield, follow someone. Right? Why try and reinvent the wheel, right? Find a system that works. Find a trader who's in life where you want to be, or in their trading where you would like to be, and has a system that you can relate to, and just follow it. Just follow that thing, man.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, Raja's been doing the same thing for how long now? Look at him.
Yeah, I mean, Raja continues to do the same, like he continues to live by what he said, right? If the markets do the same thing every day, why are we changing? Why are we trying to change what we're doing? So that's why you guys see me stick to the same stuff, right? You'll see me here and there try and find little nuances to, you know, make it better, or, you know, maybe try and get a little bit better with it, but the base remains, right? What we look for, what we're looking at, price action, that stuff never changes.
Amen. every day we stream that anyways. It's like we bring the same energy every day. Like we're doing the same things every day. The strategy will never change. The only thing that changes is your account size and your profits. Right? We've been streaming that since day one.
Yep. Since day one. Go back and watch our streams from day one. We talked about the importance of being loyal to your system, to your playbook, and we've never faulted on it, right? Even when we took a few losses like a couple months ago, you never seen us, quake, right? We just kept showing up, looking for the best plays again and again and again and again. Right? It's all good when you're winning, but how do you handle the losses, right? How can you handle the L's that you take? Do you want to quit, run, go try and figure out some new thing, or are you just going to stay steady with your head down and just keep working? Right? That's a problem with a lot of people, is they quit far too quickly. Right? Most people would be successful if they just didn't quit. Right? They I don't know. I can't relate to it.
I think there's like a beauty in everything too, because even when you go through that losing period, you get to experience that period, right? Because it's only a small amount of time in the long scale time frame over like years, months, etc.
Oh yeah.
So next time that it comes around, price gets a little choppy, charts get a little ugly, you know exactly what to expect and how to deal with it.
Yeah, and that's what I was trying to tell some of you guys, that hit me up when you guys were struggling mentally. It's just like, yo, don't stress it, bro. It's 1 month, right? It's not the end of the world. You're gonna look back and at this time next year and be like, wow, like how much did I learn? Like, well, I can't believe I thought that 1 month was such a big deal, right? But when you're in it, you gotta. It seems like, the end of the world when you're living in it, but you gotta shake that, right? Successful people are very good at staying composed under all sorts of situations and outcomes, and that's what you're gonna have to develop if you want to stick around in this game. Times will get tough as an entrepreneur, and especially when you're in that building and that foundation process, it's not easy. I'm not the one to say it is, but gotta stay steady.
Yeah.
Thanks. That's definitely something too that separates profitable traders from not profitable traders, right? Like being able to handle taking a loss and understand that it's okay to take losses. Like even the profitable traders take losses, right?
Yep.
And that's how you learn. You cannot become the greatest trader without any sort of losing. I think that me, John, and Nick, we've failed more times than people have even attempted them, and that's why we know and we're confident in what we do.
Yep. 100%. You got to get that experience, man. And guess what? If you come right up to the point and then quit because you don't feel good or this isn't enjoyable, right? No one likes to lose, let's be honest, right? But if you quit right there, then guess what you don't get? You don't get that experience, right? You don't get that, hey, I pushed through and made it out and continued succeeding, right? Some of the guys ask me, what do we do now? Right? It's like, bro, what do you mean? We just continue winning in life, right? Finding our strength from the spirit and marching on towards the race that we've been called for, right? It's like, it's not the end of the world, right? You took 2 or 3 losses, just it's a part of trading.
Right. Yeah.
For real, that was something that we were hearing a lot like the last couple of months. Like, hey, Nick, I'm down 5%. What do I do? And the answer is simple, right? Nothing. Like we do the same thing every day. You follow the strategy, right? We're following our playbook setups every day.
Yeah, because then what else are you gonna go do? You have 1 or 2 options. Go and gamble and try a strategy that you're not familiar with, you're not sure how to operate, or stick to what you know and keep chugging along.
Yep.
And people who can't handle loss will do 2 things, right? They'll either quit or they'll find another strategy that they think is going to have 100% win rate, and once they see trial and error with that, they'll just do the same thing. They'll move to another strategy.
Yeah.
So it's important you lock in a strategy and You focus on staying composed during your trades. No matter you win or lose, you got to stay composed, stay steady, stay locked in on your strategy, focus on just the progress, right? The professional trader is focused on the progress of trading and trading his edge.
That's
right?
right.
Remember that the failure trader is focused on the outcome, right? We can't be focused on that. It's all about detaching ourselves from the money.
Yeah, that's right. I love that.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Detaching yourself from the money, because then you're only focused on taking the best trading setups, right? If you're looking to, like, do this for the money, then you're gonna be trying to look at every single entry, every single way that you can be in a trade, and trading less seriously is more. Look how simple our strategy really is. We have 3, 4 super high win rate setups, and we just wait because we know that they work, and why risk on anything else, right? Like, if I'm gonna take a loss, I want it to be one that I'm more than likely was going to win on. I feel like once you drill that in your head, because you either do that or you just constantly lose and you're never gonna get anywhere with it.
Yeah.
And you're gonna be wondering why, and it's just a cycle.
Yeah, like
I've been there.
Don would say it too. Like, you want to be shitting your pants in a trade, or you want to be feeling good, right? And the way you do that is you develop that sample size playbook, and you get confident in those positions, right? You get confident in, you see it play out over and over, right? Like, some of you guys have been on the stream since the day we started this. Like, shout out to you guys. You guys should know exactly how to trade this system at this point, right? And by the way, I was waiting for a top wick to possibly get another entry here, but price is running without that top wick. So but yeah, I love what Gray said. He said, that's what I'm doing thanks to the TT community. The team, the terms like sample sizing instead of back testing, playbook instead of strategy, and system exactly matches my personality. Yeah. And we try and keep this thing as simple as possible, right? Sample sizing our positions, building the playbook off of that sample size data, and just trading it, not making it too complicated. I dealt with a lot of struggles early on as a trader, but thankfully I never really dealt with the system hopping as much, right? It took me a while to find my footing and find the right strategy I was looking for, but I never really had that issue. But nowadays there's just so much information out there that it can get tough, right? And that you can immediately, once you're not feeling good on one system, hey, there's another one right at your fingertips, right? You could open up Instagram and see someone's amazing winning trade and start going after that one. So just if you are struggling with that, just try and stay grounded. In one system.
Yeah, find something that makes sense to you. Something that fits your character, like Greg said.
Yeah, and listen, every strategy works. They all work. That's the cool part about it. It's just, what one are you going to choose to work for you?
Same thing goes with
mental skills.
Mentors as well in life, right? If they were able to make it happen, they can teach it. But you have to be coachable, and you have to want to be able to learn, right? You have to want to learn.
Yep.
And adapt. You got to drop the ego sometimes.
Yep.
100%.
Ego.
And say, hey, if I want to get better, I have to accept that I might not be the best at this current moment, right?
Yep. Remember, you gotta humble yourself, right? Average people think they know everything, right? They just think they know it all, right? But successful people, they're always willing to humble themselves and learn. So be successful, right?
And like Mark Douglas says, right, no matter the strategy, you need the mental skills with it. You psychologically need to be disciplined and patient to the strategy that you're performing with, right?
Yeah.
Got to be psychologically strong as well.
Yep. Hey, first time here. What up, ARS? Good to have you here. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. friendly reminder, I love the likes. The likes make up my day, especially here on a lovely Friday. They would just be absolutely awesome. How many likes do we have here? Let's go ahead and take a look. Let me open up the live stream. This is the first of the month. Oh, 346. Can we get to 400? Can we get to 400 likes? That should be pretty easy. We got 1,200 people here. If you guys can like the stream, that would mean the world to me. I'm going to like it myself. 356. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, if you guys took that trade, let me know. Put a percentage in the chat, how much you made. Please explain the trade. Why was it taken? Previous candle doesn't have a top wick. Yeah, we got entered into it in the last like 10 seconds of the candle. So candle ended up closing and activating us while I was doing the breakdown. But one thing I was telling everyone is that I was really cool with our stops, right? Our stops were sitting up here, and I really didn't care, right? I just knew that this was most likely going to be the point in which price was going to move down after creating a top wick here for the daily, starting to get that consolidation at that resistance, most likely going to move down from there. So wasn't too worried about the candle after I had seen that it closed with no bottom wick. What up, Shad? Morning, bro.
Morning.
What up, Shad? What up, TK?
Oh, nice.
Who else here? What up, Shero? The Gamer.
Red Bull, nice. 2%. Oh, Red Built. My bad. Nice. Congratulations, Toby. 10K this week. Beautiful week. Can you please link your Signals channel link? It's in the description here. You just gotta drop down the YouTube channel. Yeah, today's gonna be the last day for that promotion, gang. Yeah, I extended it like I think 2 weeks for y'all. So yeah, that's gonna be today's gonna be the end of the promotion. So if you get it before the stream, then you'll be in. If not, then we're gonna take it down.
Hey, that guy TK was good. Yo, good morning.
TK. Oh, nice. Yeah, pip counter looks good. We'll see if we can get rid of the black background, and just have the numbers there. I think that would look good. About to ride this back to BE. I'm holding with you, bro. I'm not closing anymore. I'm holding with you. Hey, Sam, what do you think about the news
I was
today?
pouring down here.
Let's see.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Pouring. It's pouring blessings on Johnny Boy. Give me 1 sec, guys. I'll be right back.
So what do we have? We have PCE price index. They're expecting no change from last month. And so far, since August, July, June, we haven't seen a change at all. So I'm not really expecting it to change either, right, for those reasons. So if we come out at 0.2, which we should, price should just continue as normal. And then we have consumer sentiment, and they're also expecting no change for that. So I'm not really expecting the news to be anything too crazy today. It is the last day of the month, the last day of the quarter. So we'll see.
How's PA today, Sam?
Oh, it's not too bad, not too bad. Dude, I was actually out this morning, and I don't know
Oh,
why,
word?
but like it's just like I love it was like 56, put the hoodie on with the windows down, just
Fall weather,
driving. I
bro.
mean, it's like yeah, bro, I love it.
Nah, that's the best. That's why I
Nothing
came
beats
back out to NY as well. Like I wanted to feel that fall weather.
it. Yeah, winter is like I'll put up with it for that.
Yeah, facts. Yeah, the winter though, I'm like, I don't want to deal with the winter.
I know.
Just the fall, and I'm out for the winter.
See, like, is New York like PA where it just gets mad cold in the middle of the winter and then there'll be like barely any snow? I hate that.
Yeah, it does. I mean, every year kind of varies, but definitely like in the cold months like December and January. Like I remember as a kid, New York being freezing, bro. Like 20s, like
Oh, in January and that.
yeah.
Yeah, it's always like that here.
Or do you see
January.
like single digits sometimes?
Mhm.
Damn, yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's
What do you think like's the worst month?
January for sure.
Yeah, same here.
It's straight. Yeah, it's so cold in January. That's usually like it dips below zero a couple of times.
But I remember being like a little kid at like the school bus in January, and it was freezing, bro. Waiting for the school bus.
Yeah, bro. I remember in like I think it was like 2006 or 2008 when we got so much snow, bro. It was like 6 feet snow,
Oh,
and it was
damn.
crazy, bro. I was building igloos.
Shit, nah, bro. I used to love the snow though too. Used to be
Yeah,
fun as
now that's
hell.
like
Like
exactly. That's what I always say too. Like now that I'm older, there's nothing to do with it. It's in
facts,
the way, bro. It's on the road.
for real. Nah, I used to love going sleigh riding. That was the
Mm,
best.
Tubing.
Snowball
I've
fights
never.
too. Yeah.
Yeah. I've never been like snowboarding or anything like that, but yeah.
Same here. I haven't either. Each weather each season got their pros and cons. You know.
Yeah, so true.
Damn, Viking, England. It's the weather down there is horrible too. In England.
Sam, you have to come to Miami one day.
Sam in
He's pulling up.
Miami.
Might be where my
Sam's
next
pulling up to
event is
Tampa
at.
first. Facts.
Yeah.
Hey, the winter
Man,
has 0 pros, by the way.
Well, besides
nah.
snow,
It makes it pretty whenever it snows, though. I like that. That's the only thing.
but I only like it for like a day or two. Like when it's getting annoying as hell now.
Bro, like I was just thinking about like a nice winter morning the other day. Like snow's untouched and they don't got the plows or nothing out, and it's just
Yeah.
like no music, nothing, just hearing the wind chimes, bro, and you're out there. Yeah, bro.
Facts.
And
Maybe
everything's
get
just
like a
like
hot chocolate going,
sparkling with the snow, bro.
put a marshmallow in it. Yeah.
All right, yeah, I guess
Alright.
so. We got some pros. We got some
All
pros
right,
to
let's
winter.
not
That's
put
it though. That's it.
Don't put it in the fields.
That's true. We got some pros. Staring outside from inside is just incredible in the winter.
Nah, I'm saying you gotta be out there.
Yo.
Go enjoy for
Yeah,
like 5 minutes.
we're
And then-
gonna do that winter trip too. I want to plan that for possibly this winter. We'll go up and get a cabin or something, and next summer
Crazy.
definitely doing the lake house cabin in New York. But maybe this winter we'll get that winter log cabin and get some snowmobiles and have some fun for a few
Oh,
days.
bro, I would be ripping.
Rip.
Damn, bro.
News in 15 minutes. Yep, we got news coming in. We've got no top wick on this candle up there at break even, so we'll see where things want to go here. All right, this is pretty nice. As we were saying earlier, we may want to come up and retest this support here and then push back down here today. So just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Sir, that's what we wait on.
But we're still
Yeah,
sitting
let's
in
see
this
what the
position.
news does. I'm not expecting anything crazy at all.
Yeah, no, me neither.
Like if you go to Forex Factory and you click on the little like manila folder or core PC, you'll see like it literally has not changed for months. On
Yeah, that's true.
yeah, click
Over here.
click the folder thingy, you'll see. Yeah, like look at last 3 months, it's literally good. So for us to say it's gonna do something different today would be like,
Yep,
I don't know, you know what I mean?
Yeah, word.
definitely. Oh, Shiro called pal. All right, just wait on it. Just wait on it.
He goes, it's coming out 0.6. Load up the sales.
We appreciate your hard work and dedication, Shiro.
Yes,
Tap,
sir.
tap it into Uncle P.
Where rope?
We're
Oh, after the stream, you have to look at the POW video I sent in the Discord. It's that one I was talking about yesterday. My G-Wagon used to be 100 bands. Now, twice that.
Now twice that. 100 bands.
Bands.
My bad, I missed this guy. Oh, no worries. Yeah, we may have another one. We want to see a resistance form now. Right, if we can get a resistance formed somewhere, anywhere, then that'll be our next opportunities here for price to move down. That might happen up here.
Especially like looking at the 4 hour. If it gets that closure,
Oh, yeah.
might be that 9:30.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we could put it together from the 4 hour too, right?
Hours and daily.
Yeah,
Wow.
4 hour closes like this. Well, now we have that resistance, right? And if we're going to make a top wick, well, price is probably going to push up, you know, one, maybe two more 15-minute candles to come into this zone up here, right? Somewhere in this range here. And that's where we may get our resistance, right? And if we get our resistance up there, now we've got clean traffic coming down. And you should see another clean move to finish the job here.
Yes, sir. I see the same thing.
Yeah. And that push up would make sense, right? Because that's going to be our 4 hour top wick. And then the push back down.
Yeah. We got Comex in 1 minute. Let's see.
Comex. Good morning, Henry. I'm risking 100%. Comics. Comics.
So far, like, looking good. This 1 hour candle hasn't really done anything. I mean, it went up 8 pips.
Let's watch the 5 minute comics candle. I'm still holding. Nice.
Let's see if it has motion.
How you doing, Nick? It's great to see your account in profit. You always earned it. Yes, sir. Yeah, some guys like the other day I seen someone like, "Yo, man, what's up with the account, bro? What's going on with the account, dude?" It's like, brother, trust me. Don't worry about me, bro. I'll get the job done. Don't worry about me. What you need to be doing is worrying about you. Right? Because I know I'll get the job done.
When does
right?
ever become a job?
I know what I'm doing this for, right? So I know I'm gonna get it done regardless.
Yeah. On the playbook, hey, profitability is just a side factor. What do you call it? Byproduct.
Yep.
Following the playbook.
Randall still on here? For some reason, I can't open Randall's message on Discord. Randall, you still here? Need 32K to pass the challenge, right? Yes. 8% of 400K, 32. Yeah. Am I gonna add another position? Not yet. I do want to see I want to see a resistance form here. So if we can form a resistance, then I'll probably add another position. So we'll see what happens. We have some news at 8:30 here, but nothing too crazy. Hey Randall, for some reason I can't open your message here on Discord. If you, did you guys say Discord wasn't working? Yeah,
I think the whole.
Oh,
Discord,
I gotcha. Okay, yeah, for some
.com
reason.
is down. Yeah.
Gotcha.
I tried to send a message and it instantly went red. I was like, whoa.
Gotcha. Okay, that seems to be the problem.
Scored quick.
I got you.
You were able to get on Zoom?
It must have just started.
Yeah, it must have just happened. Green's gonna fix the Discord platform. He's on the phone with Discord right now.
Greenery.
Oh, let's see. I'm gonna read. Good.
So as we wait, I'd like to hear what are some of the things that you guys are really picking up on and learning now in your trading that maybe before the stream you didn't really understand, or maybe a couple months ago you didn't really quite understand. What are some things that you guys have been learning? Some things that maybe you can help other people understand a little bit better. I think that's how a lot of people learn, is by seeing, hey, what have other people learned, right? Am I making the same mistake as that guy? So what are some things that you guys have learned over the past like 2 months or so? Patience.
That's
Nice.
beautiful adjustment. Nice.
Everything. I used to enter a dozen times a day. Nice. Wicks matter. Checking multiple time frames. Nice.
I like that one. You need to change your mindset to be able to learn trading.
Mm-hmm.
You need to start telling yourself you can learn it, so you can. Perspective, right? That perspective gets that outcome. Tell yourself, I can be the best trader. You will be. Simple.
Yeah.
I like that.
So I like it. Stick to the playbook. Awesome. Don't let the losses keep you down. Definitely discipline. Trade what you see, not what you think. Beautiful.
Having a mentor, I like that too.
Fear of God. Hey, well, that's the beginning of all knowledge, my friend.
Sure.
Sure.
Waiting for candle closures. Nice job. Be very patient. Don't take any trades unless it hits your kill zone. Beautiful. Nice. A lot that comes from the top-down analysis. Awesome. Loving the process. Pirate Gang. I love that one. You got to love the process. You know, like when you enter something big like this, you got to understand it's going to be a bit of a journey, right? Don't do that to yourself, right? Don't say, I need to make it in, XXX or by this, just give yourself time to grow. Be gentle with yourself, right? Be nice to yourself throughout the process. Don't let, like someone said, not letting the losses get them down anymore. You know, just take your time, man. There's a learning curve to everything, and just because you don't get it right away doesn't mean you're not going to get it, right? So just that loving that process, and I've always chose to do that myself, is just no matter what the struggles were, no matter what you know, what was going wrong, I've just always chose to enjoy the process.
No matter what it is, if you want to win, right, gotta be focused on the progress.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's so
Process.
true.
Learn from that. Learn that missing trades is okay. Oh yeah, there you go. Yep. Not every trade, not every pip is your pip. Except the no trade day. There you go. That one took me some time. Not gonna lie, that was a struggle of mine. Don't go without a plan. Yep, plan your trade, trade your plan. Just a quick question. Can I join the mentorship? Just message me. Yeah, just message me on Discord. The trend is your wife. Exactly. Good stuff. Thank you, Wasabi. Amazing discipline. Sticking to your playbook no matter if the trade is profitable. Yeah, that's a big one, right? That's a big one. A lot of people will fly away, right? Once the playbook doesn't work 1 or 2 times in a row, but very, very important to stick with it and continue on, right? That's you sticking with something a little bit after failure. It usually tends to be where the success is, right? It's just right past that point of should I quit? Should I give up? Should I change it? Right? It's like right past that point.
Yeah, Power Game, that's a great one right there. Take what the market gives you, not what you want to get from it. That's I love that.
Yeah. I like it. Thanks to people like you, learning time shorter. Oh, nice. Thanks, Robin. Glad to help.
That's another good one. Not breaking your rules. That causes bad wins and bad habits, right? I would, of course, and I know every professional trader rather take a good loss over a bad win. So that's a great lesson, W.
Big time. Got into Forex in February. Oh, hell of a ride until now. Just passed my challenge on my own terms. Hey, let's go. Good stuff. Feeling kind of confident. Let's get it.
W.
Should.
Hey, Dino. Good stuff. First week here. Learning to wait for the setups to happen. Being patient and trusting in the Lord. Amen. Amen. All right, so we tapped into that area there. Let's see if we reject it now. You're saying my wife is trendy? Hey, what up, Trav? Trav's in the building. What up, Travis? Good to see you here, bro. Oh, will we get smacked at B here? Yeah, B might get tapped. Oh, there it goes. Should be out now. Yeah. Perfect. So that was a great trade. Great trade here. Made, let's see, I think it was 2 point. Let's see. What did we make here today? Where's my history? Got 6,600 bucks there on that one today. So pretty nice trade. Pretty nice trade. Wick. See how we got a top wick on that candle there. So yeah, had a feeling that was gonna happen. The gunner glasses? You want me to send the link? I have to find it in my Amazon account. Take what the market gives you, not what you get. Yeah, exactly. You got to, man. You got to take what the market's willing to give you. So this is perfect, right? If we can get a resistance now, get the 4 hour to close bearish here, then we'll have more sells coming up, right? Because all we're looking for at this point now is as we come down, right? We want to retrace, create resistance, and then price move back down here. So that's what we'll be anticipating here over the next hour or so. Buenos dias from Chile. Only playbook setups. Hey, Sandman. What's going on, dog? How's that funded account treating you?
Hey, man.
How you feeling? Respect your stop loss. Yeah. A lot of people move their stops. A lot of people be moving the stops. And
yeah, it's there to protect you. You put it there in case your trade is invalid.
Yep.
Or even worse, this is for the over riskers. They'll close in drawdown when the trade still makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Another one. Struggle with that one. Just don't over risk.
Mm-hmm. Do I think we're bullish on the day? No, I think we're bearish on the day here. All right, I think this candle should continue moving down. Right, that's why we took the sells up there, anticipating that the daily candle would move down. So all we really need at this point is a 4 hour resistance, and that seems to be what we're getting here, right? So price just kind of did a pack runner on the 4 hour time frame with that news, and now you should continue on down. Yeah, so as long as we get a resistance here, that's going to be good news for us. Blue light's good for you in the morning?
Oh.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Is it?
I don't know nothing.
I don't know.
I'm about sunlight.
If you can find it, you can find it.
Or blue light.
I think he means sunlight.
Oh, sunlight. Oh, okay.
Sunlight
Not blue light.
Yeah, okay.
Orange light.
But he had me nervous.
Nice. Up 3%, bro. Congrats. That's dope.
Good.
Howdy.
Let's go, Sandman.
Dude.
Watch out for that boy.
Howdy.
Let's get it. Shiro. There's no light in Wakanda. There's no light there.
Nah, I like light mode.
Shiro comes to the Time to Eat stream when he wants to come into the light.
You guys make me have to change my thingy. The light mode, you guys know when I'm opening up the spaceship. Open up the terminal. Like, what are you looking at, bro?
Yeah. Yeah, so let me check here. Yeah, so 6,600, not a bad trade here today. Think we pretty much closed the bulk of everything here at 37 pips, and then the remainder of it got stopped at BE there. So not bad, not bad. We'll take it.
Profit's profit.
We'll finish marking that up too. Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you, brother.
Thank you. So 37 pips. Hey, thanks for the hearts.
Later.
Later. W.
W.
Another one, chat.
It's all love.
Another one.
I was trying to find a
It's
fire
all
one. They only have
love.
hearts, though. That was the closest thing. I was gonna start blasting around the 6600.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Passed my first phase on my funded challenge. Nice job. Congrats. Congratulations. Can we enter off the 15-minute resistance? I never like to enter at 8:45, so we're creeping into the last 15-minute candle of the 4-hour. I'm not going to touch anything here until 9 a.m. or 9:15. Yeah, so we want to see some price action form up here, but everything looks good so far. We're going to be strictly looking towards the 4-hour time frame here for the next 15, 20 minutes or so. Why didn't I use 40 lots? I just decided to lower the lot size. Yeah, I decided to lower the lots a bit. I'm in no rush to get the challenge done. So, just chilling now, you know? Just vibing.
Yeah. Lots don't matter. The money don't matter. Don't worry about those things.
See, I'm not afraid to lower my lots. And I've got 1,300 people watching. And some of you guys are home by yourself with no one watching, but your ego won't let you lower the lot when you know you should. Come on, guys.
You lowered your lot on that trade?
Yeah, I used 30 lots on the last 2 or 3
Nice.
trades.
Nice.
Discord down. What lots am I using now? I'm using 30 lots. Yeah, I'm using 30 lots now. I lowered my lots if it's more than 2%. Nice. Did you do that to lower your losses, or that's how you feel? Yeah, a little bit of both. Right? If I lower my lots, you know, you have smaller losses. And again, I'm in no rush. I'm pretty chilling, right? So just, you know, edging up and creeping up to target. Creeping up to the target.
Oh, yeah. Well, you wanna risk whatever you're gonna be comfortable with during the trade, right? You don't want to be in a trade and like stressing, like looking at an OD, like, because that just tells me that you don't want to lose what you put on the table. And in trading, you gotta be okay with what you're gonna lose. Like, you gotta be comfortable with it. You gotta understand that, you know, there's a random outcome to this trade, and I'm okay with losing X amount. So now you can be comfortable in that trade when you're only risking what you feel comfortable risking, right? You can let your full trade play out now.
Yes, sir. What's your take on magic keys? I love magic keys, man. I don't know if I could trade without magic keys anymore. The best. The best. Yeah, I got my magic keys right here. I'm probably gonna order the new one too. They keep emailing me. 30% off. 30% off. Probably just gonna get it. What up, Vasil? What's good? How you doing today, bro? Yeah, I love my magic keys. I seen somebody earlier said they just ordered a new one, or just ordered their magic keys.
Magic keys are sick, man. One click of a button. Stops the beat, close partial.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're out of this trade too. Yeah, one push of a button stops at break even, partials closed, all that good stuff. Chiming in all week. Oh, nice. Crazy to see your growth since January. Oh, thank you, Vasil. Appreciate that, man. That's right. That's right. We met like a week before I was gonna start the stream. That's right. At the trade club.
W.
How much is magic keys on a laptop? I'm not too sure, Lee. I'm not too sure. You got to go to the website. That's right. That's right. Magic cheese. Yep. Johnny boy, what we doing this weekend, bro? What we doing?
Whatever we want.
My man. Whatever we want.
Oh man, I got driving down to Florida this weekend.
My man's cruising.
You actually for real?
Yeah. I'm moving down. Yeah, yeah.
That's a hike.
I'm
London
finally,
suit.
yeah. Yeah.
You get
They
on.
coming.
That's
They
what I'll be
coming.
doing.
It's a hype.
You hype or what?
Boy,
I'm hype,
the
bro,
boy
yeah.
getting the set up. My boy getting the set up. Don gonna have his own pen team.
Definitely, I'm hella hype.
Yup. Yup.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah, yo. You already know that.
John
Sure.
about to have a new Penti out here.
Sure. Hell yeah, yo, but I'm hyped.
Yeah.
Beginning the levels.
No, that boy gonna be cruising.
Hell yeah.
Let's go ahead and take a look at this account here. So yeah, got off to a pretty good start on this account. Took one loss here on it was a $11,000 loss, but other than that, been pretty well, right? These little obviously these ones aren't trades, they're testing, but yeah, I believe one day I forgot what day it was, but I had the crappiest entries of my life. So I remember both positions. It was a day where we took 2 trades in a row. But man, both positions
on
as
Tuesday.
I was closing, price pulled back like 5-6 pips on me. So I had some crappy closes here, but other than that, doing pretty well on this account. So yeah, we'll just continue on.
W.
Oh, you guys can't see that. My bad. Pablo, what up, Pablo?
Hello?
From the greatest place on earth. Let's get it.
Pablo. Oi. Styles.
Oi.
Oi.
Yeah, we'll see if we can get on the board again here today. Looking good. It is looking good. So we need this here, right? We need this push back up, and you know, see if we can come back down now.
Man, honestly, the higher.
What'd you say?
He's lagging.
Said, honestly, the higher the better.
Yeah, that's exactly where I wanted it, right? Because we never broke that high either. That's the daily high there.
Yeah. I really liked it. Like, if we can get an onion on this next 30 minute now too.
Yep.
Because, like this candle, Now it has top wick and this one.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah.
And we never broke the high.
Right. Yeah, dude.
Turn down the music. Yeah, I don't know why this song gets really loud. This song wants to let us know.
So yeah, 4 hours.
There we go. There we go. Sorry, boss. Does that suit your ears now?
We are chilling.
Yeah, cool, chill Friday, man. Always good to get a trade in the morning on Fridays.
Yeah, what a way to end the quarter. Beautiful.
Sorry about the music, guys. I don't know why that song gets so loud. It's always that one song. Sorry. Barcode. Oh, we back to the barcodes.
Yeah, came back up to the gas station.
Yep. Oh yeah, this was the 1 hour seller we were talking about yesterday. This was just money, right? Remember we talked about, hey, once we actually break out of this, remember we talked about this, the gas station, right? And we were fueling up, right? Anytime you see gold doing what it's doing here, you got to understand it's gaining fuel, right? It's ready to make a move. So, you know, once this low broke, right, we had sell stops there. We had those sell stops ready to go. Price just came up and made too big of a, you know, our stops were like 65 pips. But, you know, we understood, hey, once that low breaks, this thing's going to go, right? And then, you know, price drove. Goner. 30-minute time frame. Just so pretty. Just so pretty. I'm quitting my job right now. Not a bad idea. What are you waiting for? We're gonna wait for for Christmas. Well, we gotta see how this 4 hour candle closes here. Got 11 minutes.
Waiting for a closure.
Yep, the fuel for the gas. Yeah.
Forever waiting, it's for a closure.
Yeah. Do I use the 30-minute time frame mainly? Pretty much, yep. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Oy. Be careful. That's the virtual one now, right? $15 a month. On screen, I believe. That's the whole Locks Media. What are you holding? Yeah, Lee, that's not bad. I got on screen too. I got it before that happened though. Before it became 15. Before it became like a monthly payment. Yeah, TK, the on-screen's dope. I love the on-screen. Honestly, you could make an argument that the on-screen's better than the real one, right? Yeah, exactly. TK, yep. Yeah, some people would not want to pay a monthly, so yeah, physical one's good. Lee, when I bought it, it was I think it was like $50 to buy it. I think that was the physical one you're talking about, though. Physical one, I think, is like 100, 200K, 100 or $200. Nick's got a link in the Discord.
Let's go, baby. Hustle that link for me. Hustle that link. Yeah,
Same here, TK.
I like the physical one.
Yeah, physical one's dope.
Yeah, I've ever since I got this, I've not traded without it.
Can't go back.
I believe excuse me, I think they have 30% off. I don't know. I keep getting those emails. I might just grab one or two of the new versions, or maybe just one, and hold it down. We broke the daily highs. That's okay. That's okay. Either way, we need range 2 buys above here. Right? Not going to take buys off of a breakout. Gonna wait for range 2. But what I really want to see is I don't care how this 30 closes. If it closes above, between, don't matter to me. I want to see the way the next 30-minute candle is going to close, right? And if that candle closes back below the range, then that's our sign that we need to jump in sells again, because that should finish off the job here for today.
Yeah.
Yeah, Gray, you're right. You could see gold push up. It wouldn't surprise me if gold pushed up just to, you know, make a wick for the next candle to follow. So we'll see. Whatever price action throws at us, we'll know exactly what to do. What up, Green? How you feeling today, bro?
Greenery. I seen a picture of Green in the gym the other day. That's why his name is Green, bro. He's like Popeye. He just eats some greens, bro. Dude's freaking built.
He's built. He's built to win. He gets a lot of shmoney too. Well rested? Oh, nice. Well rested for the weekend. Oi! Oi!
Oi!
Oi!
Wait. Green, we hitting the gym today, bro? Or did you already hit the gym?
Stop playing.
TK, that's what I'm talking about, bro.
Yo. Telling y'all, some people be playing. Y'all be playing with... You be playing around too much. Green's always watching. Always watching. Green's bed is under the bench press. That's funny.
He sleeps on the bench press.
He just wakes up and just starts pumping.
Thanks. Green, how much do you bench, bro? Like 400, right?
Would I consider adding more lots if I had a small, like a tight stop loss? The most I would go up is 40 lots. But probably not. I'd probably just stick with 30 lots for the rest of this account. But I mean, it makes sense, right? If somebody wants to do that, you got a really tight stop and you want to increase your lots. Get into Zoom. Oh, I think Green's going to stop by Zoom at 20K followers, but we're at a standstill here. So if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, go ahead, subscribe to it. Doesn't seem like we could shake 18K here. Doesn't seem like we could shake it.
Let's go. We need Green on the Zoom.
How many pips y'all bench? Oh yeah, my bad. I forgot all about GJ here today, gang. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at pound yen. So we are pretty bear. Well, it looks like the weekly candle might close bullish here, right? So this candle here never came. It came down, but we never closed below the support to the left. So therefore, we kind of rejected it, right? So now this candle never broke the lows. Right, if you guys see, there's the lows right here, that wick. The current weekly candle has never broken those lows yet. So we're pushing up now. We may look to create some sort of support. So pretty bullish here. Daily's very bullish as well. You're coming in about to tap into that resistance at 183, like 300 up here. So Daily's doing well on a good run here today. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. 4-hour time frame is a bit tricky, right? It looks like we did grab this liquidity now. So this 4-hour candle is going to close here in about 2 minutes. So I think if we can get a closure above 182.773, that resistance to the left, you have some pretty clean traffic. You should have a wick to fill if we can pull back a little bit here. And you know, your next resistance is up here at 183.400. So that's pretty much the range that's available. It's about a 55 pip range. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame as well. Yeah, 1 hour looks good to continue up, right? We drove down, we broke those lows, but looks like we're gonna close bullish here. And yeah, 30 minutes chopping around. So I think buys above the resistance here will probably work out pretty clean above that resistance. And yeah, that's what I'll be waiting on. Range 2 sells below 182 here. And range 2 sells, and then buys above here. But we are going to need to see a new 4-hour open, right? So we got to wait on this 4-hour candle to open up. I would like to see a bottom wick on this 4-hour candle right around this area here. 182.770. Right? Why? Because if we look left, we notice, look at all the wicks in this area. Right? So we want to see a potential bottom wick come down and then price move up. So that's what I'll be looking for on pound yen today. And that would work because we would still respect the 30-minute lows. We would still be respecting the 1-hour lows. And yeah, looks good. Should I close 0.3? Any advice? I got 0.60 open in a sell. Sell on what? Gold? What are you selling? Oh, look, nice. 4-hour candle close, a very little top wick. Did we even break the high? We just nipped it. So this is good. I think we'll continue down. We now have to wait for those signs here. So we need a 30 closure, right? We need a 30 closure, and then we can take sells right around the same area which I took these, we took the sells earlier, right? So we want to see a candle close back in the range here. And if we can get that, then that'll set us up for 9:30, and you'll have all that clean traffic coming down. So same move pretty much. But we want this candle to move up a little bit and create this top wick. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Buyers are all being activated currently. So no bottom wick still either on the 30, 4-hour, 1 hour, all that. So Discord is, something's down with Discord right now. Yeah, it's all of Discord. MT5 terminal and pip counter on the screen makes the stream different. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me get rid of that now that we're not in a trade. That looks pretty ugly. My bad. Yeah, I'll turn it on when we're in trades. But yeah, that does make it look better. Shout out to TK. TK. Oh wow, Green got kicked out too? Sheesh, that's how you know something's definitely wrong with Discord. Alright, now if that's going to be the high, that'll be lovely. We come down and close bearish here. That's going to be our move back down here, chat. Do you offer a course? No, just right here. This is the course.
What do you think of NASDAQ?
The NASDAQ, let's take a look. Let's look at it. Yeah, monthly drove down nice, filled that wick. That was lovely. Yeah, monthly candle did its job here. Very, very bearish on the monthly. Weekly closed at support with no bottom wick. So yeah, you'll most likely see a pump up here to leave a wick to fill for the monthly candle, for the next monthly candle. Daily's pretty bullish, right? We're pretty bullish on the daily. We've broken the highs here. You have that resistance, but your next resistance is way up here. So that's a potential target here today, right? Somewhere up in this 150 zone, maybe even 152. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour closed. It closed slightly above this resistance. Therefore, you should continue up, right? 1 hour looks pretty clean as well. You got another resistance up here, and that's it. Just a minor resistance there. 30-minute looks good. Yeah, looks clean.
Yeah, I was gonna say, not this 15-minute candle we're on now, but if the next one could print bullish, that'd be beautiful and give us support.
Yeah, yep. And then you may get
let
yourself
this one drop down.
30-minute celery. Any giveaways? Yeah, we'll probably do a giveaway at 20K. We're going to do a giveaway, and I think we're going to select a new mod or two. Do I sell courses? No, I don't have any courses for sale. Just the free live streams. Gold, 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 gold. What about it? Mike in the building. What up, Mike? Mike is here. We could have a great day now. Shout out to Mike in the building.
Mike heard giveaway.
How you feeling, Mike? How you feeling today on this lovely Friday? Oh yeah, 24-hour stream. That's right. Yeah. We got a lot of things coming at 20K. The live stream is the live course. Exactly. Yeah, you're gonna get everything you need here. You're gonna get pretty much everything you need here. Feeling good? Oh, good. If you're good, I'm good, bro. Green's high school picks. Oh man, yeah, we got a lot to reveal here at 20K. 20K. No wonder why you guys aren't pushing 20K here. Oh, nice. Took a week off. Won big on NASDAQ last week. Dope. JP podcast at 20K. Yeah, I believe there's a podcast dropping Tuesday this week. If you guys have ever heard of the Forex Beginner podcast, I did an interview with Calvin, and that's going to be dropping on Tuesday, I believe, this week. Here we go. Will we get what we want here? We always get what we want. Band coming? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's got green riled up? May God bless you. You too, Sparks. I'm praying God's blessing over you as well. I listen to Calvin every day. Oh, nice. Yeah, great guy. Really, really good guy. Really enjoyed my conversation on and off camera with him. Very, very good. Solid dude, man. Yeah, the only way we get a position at this point is if this candle will close bearish. Right? That's what we drew out earlier. That's what we're planning for. So if we can close bearish here, where do you think 930 is going? Right? Downtown. Will NYSE finish the job here today? Are we in a trade? No, not yet. We were in a trade, but we're out of that one. Can we take it off to 15? Possibly, possibly. Let's see how the 15 closes here in 6 minutes, and we'll get a read on that. Even if the 15 closes like this, that's totally fine. As long as the next candle can close bearish back below, giving that candle a bottom wick and also having the 30-minute close bearish below as well, then yeah, we'll look to lock it in. If we close bullish, I'm not going to take buys here. I'm going to wait for a range 2 buy. So what I mean by that is being that we're going against the daily bias here, I know we broke the daily highs and everything, but being that we are going against it, what I need to see is I need to see like resistance formed. All right, resistance formed here, and then a support to form, and then I'll take buys. Right, if we can get that, then I'll take my buys coming up, because I don't want to get faked out here. Right, because you can get activated here, and let's say price doesn't do this. Right, price closes bearish and now closes back below, and we're already in that position. It's not going to be good. Not going to be good.
No.
Do we stream every day? Yeah, we stream every day. New York session. Yeah, Discord is down. Yep. Little break and retest. Yeah, exactly. So if that confused you, what I'm looking for here is somewhat of a break up, a retest, support to form, and then I'll take my buys going back up. GJ's going down. Oh. Oh yeah, that's a nice bottom wick. But we have, see how we have no top wick? There's zero buying or buyers in here. It's all selling pressure right now. So we need to, or I need to wait, right? Because worst case, we take the fake out. So if we get a fake out down here, a closure, but so same thing goes for GJ, right? So being that we're bullish, it's the opposite on pound yen. So if we're gonna take sells, we're gonna need that break and retest, right? Because a lot of times what'll happen is price will do a fake out. So we may expect some sort of a fake out here, right? If the candle closed below, and then we'll take our buys from here, anticipating the 4-hour candle moving back up. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You've helped me a lot, but teaching me a lot about trading. Awesome, awesome. The whole New York session? We trade till like 10:30, sometimes 11. So pre-New York and New York.
Sure.
Hey, thanks, Sparks. Yeah, the journal's right there. So Nightbot, thanks TK. Nightbot just spit it out for you. So if you guys want to check the journal, it's there for you. Got you. Ready Player Drone. Shout out to Ready Player Drone. Oh, no. I'm not trusting this support here. I very rarely look at the 5. I understand what's going on. Yeah, we can get our support down here, but I really don't look towards the 5 minute too much. W's in the chat for Eat. I think, some people are starting to think my name is Eat.
Really?
That's my name now, Eat. I've
Alright.
seen like 3 people say that already.
Up, Eat.
What up? Thanks, Skeleton Soldier. Appreciate that.
Where Eats is kind of hard. Not gonna lie.
Eats is kind of hard. What up, Eats? If I have a son, you guys know I'm having another baby, right? If I have a son, we'll name him Eats. That boy eats.
Good, bro.
Wheat. What time pre-New York? We trade from 6:45 a.m. Eastern to about 11 a.m. Eastern. So 6:45 Eastern a.m. to like 11 a.m. Eastern. Holy! Damn! Raja be like, damn! That's a juice box right there. Juicer.
Yo, bro. Call it dead.
Call it a day. Go touch some grass, gang. Holy. Raja be like, damn. All right, gold is to the moon. To the moon on gold. Pound yen is still trying to find its footing here. We did create that bottom wick. You did get that support on the 5, like someone said, but that's not. I'm gonna wait. I want to see at least a 15-minute candle close here. Back above the range. But yeah, rocket ship here to start the 4-hour candle. Wow. This is good though. This is good for next week and stuff, right? Because we want to see this candle pull back anyway. Same thing with the monthly, right? We want to see these candles pull back a bit so we can get leave bottom wicks. So no worries here. at all.
Fire candles out.
Yeah. Thank you, Sparks. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Faster we get a pullback, faster we can keep bleeding.
Yep. Who is time and who is two? Call him Goose or Iceman.
Goose.
Hey, Goose, come here, bud. Come here,
Who is
Goose. Come here, Goosey. Let me teach you something.
Goose. Okay.
Yo, I'm done.
Dad, did you call me? Yeah, Goose, come on up here. I need you to do something over here for me. Y'all gotta have some more kids. Where's Gino? Is Gino on here? I seen he left a comment on my IG post. He's like, all right, bro. You're almost catching up to me. You need like 3 or 4 more. Damn.
Damn, bro. I have to slide that way.
Damn, son. John came over. John stayed over my place for about a month and a half, and he came to the conclusion that he may not want kids anymore. Yeah, there's Gino. What up, Gino?
You saw how to slide that way.
Yo, dead ass though. Right, let's get Gino.
I got 6. Same woman. Let's go. That's a flex right there. That's a flex
Good
right
stuff.
there. 6 kids, same woman. Let's go.
We know.
That's a-
Gino.
Some people are like, wait, what do you mean? Shouldn't it be like that? Yes, it should be, man. The world's ways got you guys all twisted around. All twisted.
Praying for anyone.
Top Gun reference. He's already got Maverick. What up, Gino? Good to see you here, bro.
I'm trying to be like you, Gino.
He wasn't ready. You guys seen that meme?
Yeah. 7 heart.
I got 6 kids, 6 women.
6
That sounds very 2022-ish. Just
Mr.
kidding.
Bums.
Hey, I saw that message. I know it's a trace now.
What's the name of the guy in the black t-shirt, Nick? We don't know him? Come on, Sam? You gotta be kidding me. Sam's been here since...
Oh, and they will show him.
Are
Come
you talking about
on.
me? You're talking about me?
That's too funny.
I'm just some guy on the Zoom.
Chat likes to troll. Right, chat?
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
I like that. That guy in the black t-shirt. Yeah, who's he said
The
we?
black hoodie.
We.
That's funny.
That is funny.
The head
That's
of the
so
news
true, though.
analytics team? Yeah, exactly.
So true.
We like to troll.
You're not that guy,
Little
pal.
bit
Trust me.
troll.
You're not
I
that
like
guy.
to troll.
You're not that guy.
Hey, Shiro. Appreciate you.
Johnny James. He ain't lying.
Wait, how you guys know my middle name?
I like
Shiro
that.
knows.
I
Shiro's
got
from Wakanda, dude. This guy knows everything. This guy
Shiro, bro, where
knows
you
that
at,
you
bro?
have no
You in my
pants
crib?
on right now and you're just hanging out in your boxes.
Nah, bro. Maybe if it was Florida.
You know, whenever I need secret information, I hit up Shiro. He goes, he rubs his magic ball, and boom, pops right up. Wakanda forever.
Yeah. Shiro, bro. It's good. My guy.
Look at this, 15 close with no top wick here. Okay, okay. We got 8 minutes on the 15 candle here, ladies and gentlemen. Possible entries here at 9:30. Shiro's Island. He says, I have my sources. I've got my sources. Sam is Mark Douglas. Alexandru! Yo, keep an eye on Alexandru. That man's coming for it.
Hungry.
Alexandru.
Long
True,
shadow.
I see you in the Discord.
I don't even understand what that means.
Yo, shout out to Classic Trader too. He got my favorite YouTube emoji into the Discord.
Hey.
The yapping one.
The
Bro, and
yapping.
it looks like it's like HD 4K quality, bro. It looks amazing.
Quit yapping.
Classic Trader. Let's get Classic Trader.
I'm about to put some in the chat, bro.
Hey, yo, I saw Z Gamer. Let's get Z Gamer.
A lot of people be yapping, man. You gotta quit yapping. We ain't the yapping type over here. We got kids, man. We got responsibilities. We're focused.
Stay silent, man. I'm in my head.
The man's the next pal. Yeah, Alexandra, I see you in the Discord. My man. Appreciate your help, bro. Classic.
What's up, bro?
Classic. Do you think we are bearish on the day? Yeah.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
Brother. That brother stop.
Stop.
I made so much money today, I want to hide. Those are good days, aren't they? Those are real good days. You just want to hide. It's like, hope no one sees me
Like-
today.
How did I just make 50 grand right now? Did I get in trouble for this? Like,
Oh, snap. Nikolowski. Nikolowski's in the
Nikolowski.
house today. What
You
up,
got an
Nikolowski?
OG, boys.
I was
Nikolowski.
calling your name the other day. Nikolowski. Now we have the party started. Now we can get this going.
Now we can take a trade. Trolling.
How much more on your 400K? How much more what? How much more on your 400? How much more what? What up, Ryder Surfs? What's going on? This ain't looking too bad. Oof. Look at GJ now. I'm looking.
you're not doing anything.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Brain. What about GJ? A lot of selling pressure in this candle, I'll tell you that.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo, I just want to say something. If I know that there's some people out there in the chat who are just always thinking daily, when am I going to pass my funding challenge? And I want to tell you, leave that up to the charts, right? You don't know, right? Let the markets do it for you, right? Give and take, right? It's a give and take relationship. So that,
Can't rush it. Can't rush it, man.
I know traders are thinking that question a lot. So
Yeah, enjoy the process. Don't rush it. We got 4 minutes.
Folk. MFF is gone. They gone.
my frozen funds now.
Have you ever gone through any major setbacks? How did you get through them? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, lots of major setbacks, man. Like Coming up, you know, I'm 33 now, but I started this entrepreneurial journey around 20 years old, right? 2021. And the majority of that time has been setback after setback, right? Failure after failure. And we're talking, you know, 10 years, right? 10 years. It's been, you know, a good 8 years was just pure failure. And, you know, I always knew that the journey would be tough, right? Otherwise anyone would do it. But, you know, I just always had a vision, right? Man without a vision will perish, right? So what will the man with the vision do? He'll continue on, he'll live, right? So when you have that vision and you're doing something that's bigger than you and you have reasons bigger than yourself, right, outside of yourself, and that why is crystal clear, those setups can be looked at in a different light, right? Bible says every adversity comes with the seed of an equal or greater benefit. My faith really developed during those times of struggle, during the times of being in the valleys, right? But there's value in the valley, right? If you can grab it and you can change that perspective on what, you know, setbacks are or what failures are, right? I always tell you guys, my mentor would tell me, hey, Nick, you show me somebody who's never failed, I'll show you a failure. And, you know, it's a really good poem. It's called The Man in the Arena. And I would look towards that many, many, many nights of just another, I don't want to call it a failed night, because every night was meant for growth, right? Every night was a growing, like just a growth and development process. So yeah, you know, I always thought, hey, it's better being in the arena, right, than being in the crowd, right? The man who tried is much better than the man who thinks. So, you know, I was always willing to try different things and, you know, keep that bigger picture in mind. And that pretty much kept me pushing. I had a very, very clear, defined goal and vision, and I wasn't going to stop until I got it. So, yeah, but those tough times will build you, right? Bible says tough times are to test our quality. So I always felt like my quality was being tested, and the more it was tested, the stronger it would become. So, yeah. Perspective. All right, 1 minute here. GJ driving. GJ driving, gold pumping down here too. Who's lying? Which one's lying, huh? Which one's lying here? Yeah, you got to find something bigger than yourself, right? To put this mission on, right? Because if you're only thinking about yourself, then, you know, once things get tough, you'll cry about it, right? You'll whine like a little baby. But when you got other people in mind, like, you know, and that's the other thing too, right? God will work on you for, it could be years. And I posted this the other day, but when he's ready to release you into the world and that purpose ready to go, there is no man that could stop the plan. And I was saying, even if you mess up, God will still move things in the direction of your betterment, because you know, you're being guided. Your strength is coming from the Spirit, right? So that's the main thing for me, is that my strength isn't coming from me. It's not by my might nor by my power, but by the Spirit of God that I pretty much go. So nothing really affects me too much. GJ lying? Gold might be lying. Gold closing no bottom wick here. So gold closing no bottom wick. 30 closed above. The only way we take buys here is we get range 2 breakouts or potentially 30-minute pack runner, right? Because what do we have? It's 9:30, right? There is volume, right? And there is also a wick right here. What happens to wicks when volume comes into the markets? These wicks tend to get filled, right? So if we can get that pack runner, break the lows, give the 4-hour a bottom wick, and then re-break the high here, then I may be open to taking these buys. If not, then this 15 closes bear, right? Closes something like this, and we take sells at 945 here. GJ possible sells. Yeah, I need range 2 sells though. And this closed with like no bottom wick, no top wick here, so yeah. GJ Khaled. Yeah, stops are very steep. Yeah, I think we need to see a. Oh yeah, my bad. I thought that was the 15 time frame. Yeah, we may need a closure back below here on the 30 to take sells. So we'll see what happens here.
Got news at 10.
News at 10.
In an orange folder, 40 at 9:45.
Gold just running here, non-stop. What happens at 9:30? 9:30 is the stock exchange open, so that's the New York open for the stocks. Amen, Richie. Amen, brother. $15-minute orange folder. Yeah, we got some folders coming up here. Yep. Can I explain the previous trade? Yes, no problem. Last trading day of the month, trading closing positions. Yeah. So the trade that we took earlier, right? So price had come up. So let's take a look at this. We had price come up to make a daily top wick, right? So you had this move up. This was your daily top wick on gold. And then we came down, right? Created support, retested that resistance, and then failed, right? And then created a new resistance. So once that resistance was formed on the 30-minute time frame, now what you're looking at is, now can we come down, right? Can we come down to clean this whole move out? So you got that candle to close resistance. You respected the high here on the previous market structure high, which is AKA the daily top wick. And then that's why we took our sells. So our sells were taken on the break of the lows there. Stops were kept above this candle high here. And the move was looking like this, right? This was our target to see price, push down off of that resistance there. Now, we got activated, and then this was in like the last 10 seconds of the candle. Candle closed with no bottom wick. So normally we wouldn't enter in on this next candle, but in this case we had already been in the trade, right? So candle closed while I was doing the morning breakdown. It activated us into the trade, and I didn't really mind because the stops here were lovely, right? We had stops above the daily highs. You had this double top here, right? But price basically failing to break out of this range. Next candle broke the lows there. That was the entry. And then, this was basically target one, these ranges down here was our first target. And then, that support down there was what we were looking to achieve out of that. But price came down here, tapped into, this level, and then just started pulling up. So yeah, that was the trade. We got about 41 pips all in all from that trade. But that was it. Just a 30-minute onion play off of resistance. Simple. TJ was not lying. Yep, guess it was gold. But yeah, it still looks good. Still looks good, right? We've got this exhaustion wick now. 30-minute may close back below here. 15 closed with no bottom wick, so I'm not going to touch it. But if the 30 closes back below, then you may start to see the push back down now. Bro, how to read candle or read and understand top and bottom wicks? Experience, a little bit of experience. I could explain it really quick. Anytime you have a bearish candle and it closes with a wick on the bottom, or this wick right here, that represents, so this represents a range, right? This wick here represents a range for the next candle to drive in. So after making a top wick, the candle should now fill that range, aka fill that wick. Some of you guys have heard of the term wick fill. That's what a wick fill is. And if a candle doesn't have a bottom wick, so if a candle, you know, closes, but it closes looking like this, then what that means is it's less likely that the next candle will drive, right? Because there's no range. Now, I didn't say it won't, right? I just said it's less likely. So taking a sell here is almost like a 50-50, where taking a sell here becomes more like a 80-20 probability. So those wicks are very important, right? Wicks don't lie. And then same thing goes for, you know, the bullish situation as well, right? If you have a candle closing above the range, leaving a wick, very high chance the next candle will fill that wick and move up to create a new high, because regardless of whether you guys know this or not, candles create their own higher highs and higher lows, just like market structure, right? If you look here, you've got a high, you've got a low, you've got a high, you've got a low, right? It's just trending. It's trending. So yeah, so candles and wicks are huge, especially in terms of the way we like to trade. So very, very key points to pay attention to, but experience will help you out a lot with that also. There we go. Pumping down now here. Lovely. You do have volume here. So 930 should bring some volume in. 945 may bring volume in as well. We may get a better stop loss, right? If we can close below. Still got like a 33 pip stop, so yeah. Remember, we talked about the buyers being activated here. I think they probably were able to pull profit, but you know, a lot of buyers were activated there. So I think price, if we close back below now, then you should be able to see a nice push back down. I'm up 1%. Nice. Got you, Sparks. Got you, got you. Later. So much more relaxed after I found your stream. Oh, nice. Your top-down analysis makes the chart make better sense to me. Oh, good stuff. Good stuff. When do you wake up? Today I was up at like 3:30 a.m. Man, I just woke up and was ready to roll. Are we in? No, we're not in. breaks previous daily candle high, so now you're gonna change bias to buys. No, I'm gonna wait for range 2. I'm still gonna wait for range 2 on buys. Any recommendations for someone about to read the Bible for the first time? Yeah, just pray that the Lord would reveal the truth to you. I'd start in the Gospels and work your way through them. And just have a relationship with the Lord, man. Relationship with God. Don't worry about what this guy said, what that guy said. Just focus on that relationship. And the more you have that relationship, the closer you get, right? And the more information, I guess, can be talked about. You know, you read the word and the Lord will speak to you. 3:30 a.m. Damn, that's early. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's pretty early. What time do I sleep? Last night I think I went to bed around 10:30, so I think I got like 5 hours of sleep. That's really all I need. Usually I get like 5 or 6 hours every night. Oh, damn. Now GJ's off. 15-minute later.
Later.
Yeah, no, that's not my move there. Not my move. See, remember what I said about the opening? So pay attention to this sometimes, gang. See how this candle opened and no top wick at all. Nothing. Right? There's a lot of selling pressure in this candle. That's why I was very hesitant on buys off the 4 hour initially, is because I could just tell that there's a lot of selling pressure in that candle there. But we have news, right? At 10?
Yeah. I had an orange folder, 9:45, in a minute.
Okay.
It's kind of annoying, but all goody.
GJ to the floor. Give me 1 sec.
Yeah, Nicholas, 9:45 and 10. Yep. Wow, I was worried, bro.
Oh, damn. No bottom wick. Yeah, we want to see potential fake outs below 71 here. So, or I'll probably take them below 73 as well. But gotta wait for this candle to close. When you reach a milli, will you still stream? Hey, how do you know I didn't reach a milli yet? Huh? Oh. Wait, oh my bad. I thought I took this pip counter thing off. My bad. Sorry guys. Will I share the TP and stop loss? Yes. Every trade I share. TP, stop loss, all that. 15 made a top wick? Oh yeah. Yeah, no worries. I wouldn't have a sell stop here. Because 15 closed with no bottom wick there. Did you update the monthly record? Yeah, I think we updated that, right? Pretty sure we already did that. Is the mentorship on Uncle Scalp's page the same as time to eat? Nah. I don't know what mentorship is there. How to set a stop loss? Hello! Come on, you know how to set a stop loss. You know how to set a stop loss. Stop messing with me. Time to delete trading. Hey, if you don't have a stop loss, you literally don't lose, right? It's pretty easy. Pretty easy when you don't have a stop. You never take 2 trades the same day? I do. Yeah, I'll take 5 trades in a day. As long as the playbook is showing up, I'll take the trade. But if it doesn't, then, you know, I won't. Where are you from? Wakanda. I was gone for 2 weeks due to some, death in the family. Oh, sorry about your loss. Where does Uncle Scalp do that? Uncle Scalp, I talked to him like last week. I think he's been real busy with work and stuff. Revenge trading with no stops? Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Prop firms are licking their chaps right now. Oh yeah. It's like that meme of that dude licking his lips. Do I have certain entries, playbook entries before taking a trade? Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you guys only see us take like 3 separate positions, right? We only have 3 or 4 entries, 3 setups, or 3 or 4 setups, 3 entries. That's it. Anything outside of that, you'll never see me budge on. So I stick to a very strict checklist. Yep. Do I like cricket? Yeah, why not? I'm not giving up on trading. Throw all that junk food out. Bought the biggest gyms. Okay, awesome. Yeah. Hey, listen, gang. You know, some of you guys may be on your last limb today here, right? It's been a rough week. It's been a rough month. And I just want to encourage you guys that, you know, a weak man or woman would have quit by now, but you're not weak, right? You're still in the game and you're still here, right? Whether you've blown accounts or whether you've, you know, lost today or lost yesterday or just haven't really been able to get this thing to click yet. I'm here to tell you, man, there's light at the end of the tunnel, right? But you got to make sure you're making those adjustments, right? Make those adjustments, make those tweaks that you know that you need to make so you can stop feeling like this week after week, right? Understand that every trader goes through this bit of a rocky, you know, progression here, but at some point they turn it around, right? And what they do is they just get disciplined on doing the things they know they need to do. Right? Some of you guys think, man, I would sure love to have Nick's patience. Well, then stop taking all those trades and you'll have the patience, right? And if you say, hey, I want to be this or I want to be that, the goal or the idea is to start being that now before the results even come in. Because the results, you got to remember, they don't come first, right? They come second, right? They come after you've made the adjustments and you've been disciplined to them. They don't come before that. So I just want to encourage you guys that this is hard. This is a hard industry to be in. It's a hard sport to play. And not everyone's built for it. But if you've got that dream and you've got that goal and that grit, man, you got to have some grit. Just settle down this weekend. Chill out. Take a deep breath. Come back next week strong, right? Come back next week with some of those things that you know you need to work on and start really working on them next week, right? You may not see great results next week, but you'll start to put yourself on a path of progression, right? You'll start to put yourself on a path that is going to get you ultimately to where you want to be. But if you keep doing the same old things and just feeling bad for yourself, it's never going to turn around for you. So you've got to make that decision. And what a good time over the weekend, right? To just clean the slate, right? Just clean it. Just start fresh. Whatever happened in the past, it happened. The only thing we can do is use it to our advantage, right? How can we use those failures to our advantage? You know, take the lessons that you know you need and apply it moving forward, right? Apply it day by day, little by little. And in 2 or 3 weeks, you may start to get yourself on, you may start to get some traction, right? And then next month, you may start to see some better results. And then the month after that, now you're profitable, and now you're profitable for a second month in a row. And all of a sudden, things just start rolling, right? Let that momentum build in your life. Let it build in your trading. You're just 1 or 2 tweaks away from being where you want to be. Got you. Oh, nice job, Mr. Benji. Beautiful. Finding it hard to stop watching your streams. Yeah, if you have the same strategy, then stick to watching them. But if you have a different one, then maybe, yeah. The barcode is here. It's here.
So it's supposed to go up next?
I guess so.
Okay. Time to sample size. No, I'm kidding. Never. Be trolling. It's Friday.
Yes, sir. Will I grow my account if I come to your stream every day? That's not a guarantee. You know, that's not a guarantee, right? You could take the same trades I take and still not be where you need to be. I think it'll help you. And, you know, what I want to do is help you learn the skill set. Yeah, you can take my trades, but I really want you guys to learn the mindset. The mindset's everything, right? Technicals, I could teach my, 10-year-old cousin that or something, right? Technicals are easy, but the mindset is really what you want to instill. Why is your profit fixed and not what? Changing in the trading window? I'm not in a trade. That's just the profit from earlier. Sell now. All right. Sell now. What y'all doing this weekend? You guys got any plans or what?
I'm chilling. I'm driving down to Florida.
Good.
When are you driving? Sunday?
I think yeah, Sunday morning.
Nice, nice. Sheesh. Sunday morning, baby.
I want to see some red numbers here in 2 minutes.
2 minutes. I pretended I'm dead till Monday. Just past phase 1. Hey, congratulations, Marco. After the the setbacks
Congrats, bro.
from my Forex funds. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Way to come back, bro. Way to battle back. Good stuff, Marco W. Oh, tomorrow you're going to the zoo. Nice. Haven't been to the zoo in forever.
That was fun.
Boat season's over. Time to go ice skating on the lake. Even though I'm profitable with my own strategy, still think it's a bad idea to take the signals. That's what I'm dealing with right now. If it doesn't line up with your strategy, then I would say no. I would say no, because then you confuse yourself, right? So you have your strategy, and then you have, another strategy that you're just taking signals from. Yeah, I would say nah. Stick to your analysis. All right, so we got some news coming out here. Yeah, you may take time, you may mess up a little bit, and you'll find your way though, right? You'll find your footing.
And no change.
No change, right?
No numbers.
Nothing.
Black numbers. So price action should continue as normal. Or both. Yeah.
So what do we got here? We got about a 14, 15 pip move down to support. Not the greatest. GBPJPY, love it. GJ push down, nice. Nice, nice. Gold already breakout of that range 2 at the London section and formed support. Why wait for range 2 now? Just because we're bearish on the day, right? So although we kind of, hold on, let me go back here. Gold. So although we did break through this range 2, at this point we're also just a smidge overextended, right? Because we have 0 stop loss. So our nearest stop loss is down here at 1868. If I'm going to take buys, I would still like to buy it off of a support right now, right? So if this candle creates a support, then the buys would make a lot more sense for me. A lot also had to do with, you know, price running with no bottom wick there. So yeah, but I would still wait for range 2s there, just because, again, going against the daily, and then also you're working with a whole bunch of mess to the left, right? A whole bunch of choppiness. So yeah. Yeah, but I think that is gonna be the day. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it here today. Not too sure what gold wants to do here right now, but I'm not gonna take sells here on the break of the lows. Price could drive down for sure. We are looking for fake outs in this area, but the RR is just not there. And price may get held up here, and yeah, it's Friday, so that'll probably be it for me today. But that was a good day. Right, started off with a big win. Good month, right? Very, very disciplined month. We were very picky here this month, and just waited for the best setups. And that's really what every month should be. You know, some months you're gonna get more opportunities than others, but at least you're not forcing trades and, you know, getting all that, you know, newbie trader stuff going on, right? So it's best to be patient when there's nothing there. But that'll wrap up September, and we'll move on. Right, we're moving into October, Q4 here, and things should really, really start to heat up. So proud of you guys. Good job this month, and on to the next. Next. Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Johnny Boy, Sam, appreciate you guys as always.
Yeah,
Let's
thanks for having me, brother.
cook into a new month here.
Sir.
Finish off the last quarter of the year strong.
Yeah, sir. We're gonna do that.
Sir.
Yep. All right, boys.
Have a good day. Have a good weekend, boys.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
talk to you guys over the weekend. Have a great weekend, everybody.
All right, players. See y'all later.
Yeah, guys.
Peace, y'all. Peace, chat.
Chat, great job this month. Way to stay composed. Way to stay disciplined. And let's take any lessons that you got this month. Let's carry it over. Apply them into your next month here, and get off to a good start. So, love you guys. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And that's it. I'm out of here. Peace and love. Have a great weekend. Later.